Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to introduce to you one of my favorites. It is the Dark Knight Identity, a LED bar that I think is very unique and gives you a totally new, let's say, look on your vehicle. The Dark Knight Identity is designed to boost your style. It's a no-edge design, no dirt is stuck. It's an all dark design, and you also have the position light, which is my personal, USP. I really like to see the vehicle come with this nice feature on the road. It is like a river of light flowing up and down in the LED bar, and also has a startup function that gives it like flowing water. And you have the enduro position light, so you can use run the amber or the white. The optics we have designed to give you the best beam pattern on 500 meters. Really nice and wide. Normally with LED bars you mount one per vehicle, with driving lights you do several. So we need to pack all our ideas, passion and knowledge into one bar. This is it. This is the best bar you can have when it comes to have a nice spreading beam pattern. It's very slim. It's less than 6 centimeters wide, and the weight is super reduced by all the passion knowledge we put into this, because this will fit all type of vehicles and have an easy mounting. You get back brackets and side brackets, you have a 4-pin DT, and this product, as the Dark Knight series in fully, will come all into your vehicle and become one with you. So follow us on YouTube, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Instagram or go in on strandseurope.com. Follow us to more news about the Dark Knight series and especially the Identity, my love.